Welcome to the Seller University module. Today we'll discuss the Generic Product Policy Error Code 5882 and how to address it. If you receive Error Code 5882, you may be attempting to create a generic product listing that has been flagged as infringing on the intellectual property IP of a brand. Using another brand's IP in your generic product listing or listing a branded product as generic violates Amazon's listing policies. To ensure compliance, first review the Amazon Brand Name Policy and Amazon Intellectual Property Policy. If you believe you are following all policies and are still encountering this error code, click Help, then Get Help and Resources. Select My Issue is Not Listed and say I want to create a generic ASIN and receive Error 5882. A member of Selling Partner Support will reach out to assist. Remember, maintaining the integrity of the Amazon store is crucial for your success as a selling partner. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.